Hmm. Bear, you better help Sweetie, boy. You out here looking real retarded and shit. Yo, I'm about to knock the shit out of y'all, man. Stop, yo. I see why y'all mama do what yo.
Gosh,
She need a
I'll be watering here because it's easy to water just this part, and it just sinks all through.
oh
This part
yeah.
right here, it just goes.
Beautiful. Look, babe,
Right
come.
in front of you.
Look, boom, and then boom.
I see you. I see it.
Oh, and then look right here. Boom.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Yeah,
man. That's one right there, you guys. Another new one right there. Another new one right there. And then obviously we've been at that big one. Ah, I'm so excited. So excited. So excited.
Look at that.
Beautiful, beautiful. We're flowering. We got flowers everywhere. So everywhere it's a flower, it's everywhere it's gonna be a melon. Beautiful. Yes.
That's still a parsley still.
Now we're on to the next, you guys. And look at that one. Wow, that's the baby that we just saw the other day. And then that's the big one. Guys, wow, the baby's doing amazing. All the way back there. You see that right there? Look at this new one right here. Oh yeah. It is starting to do what it do. I am mad excited. I am mad. This is the baby melon. It was so small 2 days ago. And now it's like, look at how big it is now, you guys. Doing amazing. I'm super proud.
The melons and shit, you don't see nothing growing, but just keep taking care of it. You'll see it. Which one you talking about? This one?
Yep. Because you can see the...
That's one right there.
I'm talking about, like, look at the majority that's dying.
Right, but you still got living ones.
Yeah, that's true. Look at
Yeah, we got all these yellow flowers, like you said.
Cucumbers. Cucumber. 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 Cucumber.
What I probably gotta do is dig us some soil, cover this up.
Yeah, I was thinking the same thing, but they're still doing amazing.
Then we got babies right there. Oh yeah, really great sight.